first item that I purchased was this really cute shelf for displaying toys on, and this will actually be painted eventually, but it has a really cute heart, and I thought it was perfect for $1.21. Next, we have a puppy surprise, and she is in such good condition. I was so excited. So this one was $1.21, and I just love her. Now, I did notice she is missing her puppies, but that's okay because she's just so beautiful, and she will make a great addition to my stuffed animal collection, and I'm really happy with this purchase. I think she is one of my favorite items. This next piece may not be too exciting for you guys, but to me, I absolutely was in love. It's a vintage lace tablecloth, and I thought it would be perfect for my filming space, even as a backdrop possibly. So I love the details so much, I decided to take it home. These next two items are very odd, and I'm guessing there's someone's crochet work that they started. But I found two of them for 40 cents each, and I came up with a brilliant idea. I thought I could use these for mini baby blankets, and I really needed some, so it came in really handy, and they fit perfectly with the little babies, so it's kind of a win-win, and it looks super cute. Up next, I finally found another Disney book, and I'm excited because I have been looking for Disney and golden books everywhere. I used to have a huge collection as a kid, and now I have hardly none. So I wanted to rebuild it, and I'm super excited to have this. I just love the pictures and the artwork. It just makes me happy. So our next item, of course, looks like it's Belle, and I was so excited to find her because she is articulated, and I actually don't own a Belle doll, so I was pretty happy to find her, and she does have articulation in her knees as well. Her hair's a bit messy, but that's nothing that I can't fix, and for $1.82, I couldn't pass her up. The rest of the items that I'll be showing you all were 1 cent price, and that was $1.82 for everything. So I did find this beautiful doll with eyelashes, and she's so pretty, but her head is not so pretty. It's actually broken, and I have no idea how to fix dolls' heads like this. I've never did a body swap, so if you guys know how to fix her, please let me know. I also found this doll. She's really pretty. She is a basic doll, but I love her dress, and she didn't come with shoes, but she also has a similar skin tone. They're not perfect, but if I need to swap them, I can. I also came across these cuties. So these are all just these little tiny helmets, and they're different teens. So here's one for the Cubs and the Browns. So yeah, these were all in that price, and they actually fit the dolls. So I thought that was so super cute. I just had to get these. I also found a newer gen pony, and this is Flutterheart. I think she's super pretty, and I'm so glad that I found her. I found this really neat little doll. His eyes open and shut, and I just thought he was so cool. He has on little pants that can be removed. Everything else is molded on, but he does have some movements, and I thought he would be kind of cute for my dolls. Then I came across Chelsea. I thought she was so adorable, and she looks pretty much brand new. She has a little swimsuit on. Her hair is definitely a mess, but once I fix that, she will be practically brand new. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my haul. Let me know in the comments down below, out of all of this, what was your favorite? And if you have any tips on how to fix this doll, please let me know in the comments down below.